do see eggs and I do see brood, but I don't
School's in session, folks.
I don't see the queen on that frame.
Probably right in here. He's got a bet. $10. $10 a hit.
Bee Patrol and Bee Rescue.
Okay,
Going through one of our boxes, doing some training here in Riverside.
Gosh, man.
Pollen there.
Christopher is
Look at the brood
hands-on.
caps. Those are all brood caps right there. Oh my God.
This is one of our locations that we're going to be keeping some bee boxes.
See?
Rhonda has provided us with some property here.
Rhonda and Brett.
And Brett in Riverside.
Husband and wife. We love Jesus.
So folks, if you ever need any help or info in regards to beekeeping, you could always contact Bee Rescue
Okay,
or
the
Bee
HBs?
Patrol.
Sir?
Excuse me?
Where are the HBs? They have a little H on their back.
I've heard